once again, man, by my MercuryGrand Marquis. I'm finna show y'all my 20 cross-spoke original wild wheels, man. Original tire. Y'all know I became addicted to the white wall look. So, man, it ain't even about the rims no more for me. It's just about riding clean, classic, you feel me? So I'm finna show you guys, man. If you like this channel, man, like, comment, subscribe, man. For real, for real. All right, so I'm finna go and get to it. All center caps, all center cap pieces. You gotta do a comparison. This one or that one. Y'all, your boy maxed out right there.
You gotta put them on, bro. Tell him I do TikTok now. I do TikTok.
Hey, he do TikTok too, man. I'm putting TikTok right here too. So y'all go check his TikTok out. He trying to get me to make a TikTok too. But man, we finna come off with them. We finna come on with these.
Check this out. Let me get low with y'all.
We put the new ones on. Let's check out. Let's get a little. Let's bag up a little bit. Y'all see how she's sitting? She's still sitting pretty. Took around the block earlier. Make sure everything was okay. Had the AC on this morning. Y'all see she's sitting pretty on both sides. One with the original 20 spoke OME wheels. Travel Star 9mm white walls, 225, 60, 16, the original size for these cars. So when I go get my front end alignment, I'm gonna be all the way dialed in. These are the white walls, so I'm gonna get y'all some video footage of the 1-inch white walls from Porter Wall, and I'm gonna give y'all the all original look, which is what I'm going with my, not my final look, but just, you know, for a season at least. I'm gonna ride like this, then I'll switch back over and I get them big boy tires for the other originals.
Now, if we change it, you'll know how. Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. You'll see the difference now. If you change it, you'll know how. Nothing ever stays the same. Won't you let it change? Let it